Glowberry toys, let's play!
Welcome, everyone!
Hello!
We flew over the tall trees today! The view was amazing from up high, and I swam in the cool pond nearby. I lost my home and don't know where to live. Oh no, that's so sad. Why don't we all help the rabbit find a new home?
Soon the birds spotted a cozy corner near the wooden house where the grass was soft and tall. It looked perfect for the rabbit.
Thank you, everyone, for helping me. I promise to always be a good friend.
From that day on, the once quiet meadow became full of laughter, chirping, and friendly voices.
Hee, let's play! Don't worry, little friend. You can rest here.